Hello guys, my name is Ayman Mubashir. Today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon shooter game in Scratch. So basically a balloon shooter game is a game where we have a gun basically and you will shoot balloons to get points, something simple like that. Okay, so let's start making it. First of all, as you can see, it's sprite 1. Just click on delete, alright? Now hover over here and then just paint a sprite, alright? Now click on the magnifying glass that shows the positive sign. Okay, now just click on the circle, select the fill to be red, very bright red, alright? Then hold down the shift button and draw a circle. Just like so, and make sure to center it. Okay, now click on the outline and select the line theme, alright? Now click on the rectangle thing, alright? Then hold down the shift button and draw a rectangle just like so. And now click on the mouse that shows the wiggly thing which is called a reshape, alright? And then make sure to position it somewhere here. Now click on this side, drag this here, click on this side, drag this here. Does it even look like a balloon? I think yes, it does, and I like to keep it this way, alright? Now we will just paint a backdrop. So go to backdrops. As you can see, we are in the backdrops, alright? Then select the rectangle thing. Now select that, click on the fill and select a sky colored fill, just like so. Now paint like so, alright? Now paint one more sprite, alright? So make sure that you have selected the rectangle tool. Now click on the fills and select a green colored fill, alright? Sorry, not green. Click on this and just choose the brown color, alright? Then draw brown color, put this somewhere here, just like so. Now click on the circle thing, click on the fill, then choose a green color again. Oh, actually a little dark this time, like so. Then don't hold the shift button and just draw a circle like so. Now click on the back, alright? Make this a little bigger, like so. Now we will draw some more circles, like so. Back layer, back layer, back layer. So, last one. Back layer. We just draw our own backdrop using circles. Now let's go to sprite 1, alright? Sorry, not sprite 1. We will just paint one last sprite, so just paint, okay? Now click on the magnifying glass that shows a positive sign, right? Now make sure that you have selected the circle. Now click on the fill and select a reddish fill. That will do. Hold down the shift button like so, then draw, alright? Make sure to center it. Now click on the outline, alright, and select the eyedropper tool. Click on it and just select this color, alright? Then set the outline to something like 6 or 7. Then click on the fill and just select the line thing. Ta-da! We literally made ourselves some one second. We literally made ourselves a gun. It's just missing something. Click on the line, hold down the shift 1, hold down the shift again 2, just like so. Now let's go inside the code. Let's start coding. Let's go to events and drag it when the green flag is clicked. I'll make it a bigger so that you can see. So as I was saying, when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls and drag a forever block so it will repeat on forever. Now let's go to motions and do turn this side and just change this to something like 1 degrees. Oh, one more thing. When the green flag is clicked, just drag a go to random position, alright? Click on random position and do the mouse pointer. Let's see, as you can see, it's rotating, which does look nice. Yeah, it does look nice. Alright. Now next thing, let's go to the balloony. We'll start coding. Let's go to events. Drag it when the green flag is clicked. I'll make it a bit bigger. Alright, so when the green flag is clicked, let's go to looks. Then you can just hide this sprite. Alright, now let's go to controls, drag a forever block so it will repeat forever. Now just drag a wait 1 second and click on the one, then change this to 2 seconds. Alright, so it will wait 2 seconds. Then let's go to create, just drag a create clone of myself block. Just like so. Now let's start. When I start as a clone, okay, when I start as a clone, let's go to motions, then go to XY. All right, just let the X to be something like -18. Sorry, not this, -18, just like so. Now let's go to operators. Yeah, operators. Now let's just drag a pick random block and write negative 170 to positive 170, just like so. Now let's just try this out. Oh, it won't show. We forgot one thing. When the green flag is, when I start as a clone, let's go to looks, then just show. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, it does work. Precisely to say. And we'll go to -18. Sorry. Like so. Here. Just click on stop. Alright. Then when I start as a clone, let's go here. Then just drag a forever block. Now let's go to looks and we'll forever just drag this block. Go to front layer. Let's see. Yeah, it is doing what we wanted, but not. Sorry, just do something like -10 and also change this to -10. Now go to front layer, plus let's go to motions and drag a change y by, just set it to something like 2. Now let's see. Yeah, maybe it's a bit too slow, something like 5. That will do. Sorry. No. Well, I really do want to just set a random sorry, it will just go randomly. All right, so let's go to, no, we won't do a pick random block, let's just make a variable. So go to variables, click on make a new variable, call this diff u ul difficult, sorry, diffy cult, difficult, whatever the spelling is, just click on OK. Now when the green flag is clicked, change yy, just put difficult here. All right, and now when the green flag is clicked, when I start as a clone, we will just set, no, when the green flag is clicked, yes, we will set the difficulty to something like let's go to operators and just drag pick random and no, we just don't need a pick random. I will just do something like 3, alright? And forever after creating the clone of myself, let's go to variables and we'll just change our difficult by well, something like 0.2. Alright, just like so. Now let's see, it should work. Yes, as you can see, it is going faster, just like so. But and I will just make some room, alright? So negative 190 to positive 190. Now the next thing, I want our sprite, sprite number 3, which is our gun, to go to the front layer, alright? So just delete the go to front layer. Now let's start coding. I mean, just go to the sprite number 3. Then let's go to looks. Then we'll just do go to front layer. Hopefully that should work. Just like so. Now let's go to sprite number 1. Now let's start coding something else. Let's just go to controls and drag an if then block, alright? If then block. Now let's go to operators, drag this type of block. Then let's go to motion, motion, if, sorry. And just put this thing here and let's show it. It's here. Let's just set it somewhere up. Yeah, is greater than negative, say something like 40. Then let's just go to controls and delete this clone. Okay, nah, naturally not working. Hopefully that'll work. No, let's sorry, let's just put it somewhere here. Hopefully this will work. Oh no, maybe this won't work. Let's just switch this. Let's go to operators and drag this type of block. Put this here and do negative 40. Let's see. No. No. This really isn't doing anything, right? Let's just delete this block. Now let's go to sensing and do touching. Yes, if touching, click on mouse pointer and do edge. Okay, if touching this edge, it should work. Let's see. Hello, you are touching the edge, alright? Oh. My bad, put this somewhere here. Let's go here and just put this somewhere here. Oh, no. Here. Yeah, this is working. Just like so. Now, the next thing. The next thing is that I want the gun to activate its magic. Alright, so let's just go to events and drag when the green flag is clicked. Alright, and plus this here. Okay, so when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls, do a forever block, one if then block. Okay, now let's go to sensing and do if touching our mouse pointer. maximum space. Let's go to controls, do if then. All right, now let's go to sensing and do mouse down. Okay, then we will similarly, let's go to controls, then we'll delete this clone. So let's see. No. And this isn't working. We'll just put this here, delete this thing. Now let's just switch this. Oh, so sorry. Let's do, go to operators and do an AND block. Put this here. Oh, sorry, won't work. Put this here and put this here. Then we'll just put this below and we'll delete this thing. Now we'll just make some, space. Now let's see. Yes. Now just some more things. All right. Let's go to variables. We'll make a variable. Call this as score, obviously. Now, if we touch, if we are clicking this, all right, then we will change difficult by 1. Click on difficult and do score. Change score by 1. And at the very beginning, we will set, click on difficult and do score. Oh, we'll just delete this. We don't need it. Set score to 0. So let's see. Uh-oh. 1, 2. Click on this. It's 0. Like so. Now I just want to hide the difficult variable to make it a little more convenient and put this somewhere here. Okay. Now the next thing is make a place like so. Maybe a little bit more. Like so. Now the next thing is that we'll just do lives. Okay, so if our balloon is on the edge and we miss it, if we do that 10 times, we'll be out. So we'll make our last variable, call this lives, lives. Then just click on OK. Now let's do, if touching the edge, then we'll change difficult by 1. Just click on difficult and do lives by 1. All right, and as expected, let's go to variable, when the green flag is clear, let's go to set, click on lives, set lives to 0. All right, so I won't just shoot it, let it go up. 1, 2, now click it, it's 0. Now let's go to our ground sprite. All right, sorry, yeah, this sprite to be precise. So let's go to events. Do just drag it when the green flag is clicked. I'll make it a little bigger so that you can see. So when the green flag is clicked, let's go to controls, forever. Then let's just do an if then block. Click on operators, then equal. All right, so if, just go to variables and do lives. All right, so if our lives is equal to something like 0, all right, no, not 0, yeah, 0, then let's go to controls and we'll stop all right, plus let's go to what do you call it? Yeah, go to sprite 1, and instead of changing lives by 1, we'll change lives by -1. All right, by -1, and when the green flag is clicked, we'll set our lives to something like 10. So let's see, just zoom in. Oh, just double click this. I won't click it. 1, it's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-dam! Just like so. Now, next thing is that vibes, yeah. The last thing, sorry, not the next, the last. Okay. The last thing is that if we're touching the mouse pointer after changing our score by 1, let's just go to the sound category and we will play the sound pop until done. So let's check out our masterpiece. Just zoom in. Oh, double click this. As you can see, our game is done. So guys, and that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as it really supports me a lot. And bye.